wonderful people out there. Welcome to Germaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's Yadi Chris representing Jamaica here in Frankfurt, Germany. And for today's video, what will we be doing?
We are going on top of the Main Tower, one of the tallest buildings here in Frankfurt with a fantastic view of Manhattan.
Manhattan.
Yes, not Manhattan, Manhattan.
So guys, before we get into this video, please like the video, subscribe, comment down below.
And share. Don't forget to share the video. See you soon.
See you soon.
Peace.
It's going. I think the road busy because it's holiday. Oh God. What am I doing? Let me have open and easy to ja, wenn ich als Sektor da umgezogen. 7-Gänge-Menü, 109.
Ja, die sind ganz billig.
Guys, they have a 7-course meal.
For only 109 euro.
6-course meal, 99, 5-course meal, 89.
But it depends on the portion if it's worth it, no?
One day we have to come and try it out, eh?
No.
For the rich people. I'm guessing that this elevator gonna be. This elevator gonna be really tall. It's probably gonna be so fast. Probably gonna be so fast.
I have to catch my bus. We are waiting for the elevator now. Look at that. Walk over. Wir drücken dann mal da.
Come on, look at the speed. Just like I was saying.
Watch it. It's one of the fastest elevators. Oh, got it. Look at that. That's awesome, huh?
Crazy. I can't even imagine. Oh, if my ears popping. Oh, 200.
Imagine I remember all the movies when you see about elevators.
Can you stop?
Soll ich dir die erzählen kurz?
Are you crazy? From wrong timing.
Yeah, it's the same thing when I fly a plane also. When I fly a plane in the beginning also all the bad movies about planes go to my head.
That's not a healthy mindset. 191 came out. So guys, we came out, now we're in someone's second projector.
Oh la la.
Oh, this is the first switch.
Then call it Spargel.
Spargel?
So you can go outside.
Und da bin ich stumm. Da oben, oder wie? Oh, watch out, it's first slippery.
Oh, this is scary. Look down.
I don't want to look down, okay? Stop it.
Oh my God. Just hold me.
Ah, it's open for real. Halfway open. Oh wow.
I'm getting dizzy just from looking. Holy cow.
So guys, I've been in Frankfurt for almost 10 years and I haven't been up here, you?
No.
So first
But I was
time.
hard about it.
Guys, take a look. This is even better than in Munich. This is mine fort.
It wasn't near to the edge.
It's a glass, mommy. Guys, they're building a new one.
Imagine working there in that crane there. That was no box there. Das war die alte Oper. Ich glaube hier, oder?
I know.
Hier. Eschersheimer Turm. Goethe-Universität. Das passt nicht eigentlich. The Telugu quasi can see back on town. It's the highest mountain, what you call a mountain here in Hessen.
Hessen, I see that.
That's a Fernsehtower, TV tower here. Oh my goodness. And look, I'm green, they're panetop.
Oh wow. Oh, we saw this in Munich, right? With the green.
I mean, like those two towers, that look so nice.
Look at those short towers.
But they look beautiful, oder?
Yeah. The tower she's talking. They're so short.
Ich kann mich wirklich stoppen.
Here is no more glass, mommy. Oh, no more glass.
Będziemy teraz kombinować w każdej skali.
Nein, down here.
So guys, this is our city.
This is so scary tall, guys.
Too much breeze.
I don't mind the breeze.
Oh gosh. Mommy, I think we can find it also. We're also close to this one. I think we're also this one.
Look so much down.
But this make us feel close. Cause this Hauptbahnhof we live close to it, like the train station. That's the train station down there, right?
Yeah, putting that
where you see those things. It's really nice from up here, which is scary.
Hauptbahnhof down here.
Yeah. You can even see the train tracks.
You look so small from here.
It looks so close from here.
We are not so far away.
No, I feel like we feel so close.
You see how we're so round as the green belt from Frankfurt.
This is Sachsenhausen. So that's on the next side of the mine. But there's a lot of green. There's like the city forest over there.
But I wouldn't have that problem.
Every day they watch a tourist. So mommy said she got invited to go on a crane like that and she didn't go. Why didn't you go?
You're mad. No way I'm going.
That would have been a romantic day, dear.
Oh yeah.
is that? Ah, that's the tile. Oder? Sieht die Tile echt so nackig aus? Die Tile. Nee, ich glaub, ein Teil von der Tile, gell? Nee, das ist nicht die Tile, das ist was anderes.
Die Kirche, die kennen wir doch davon.
Aber die Tile sieht nicht so aus.
Oh.
Das ist Hauptwache. Das ist die Tile. Wow. Die Tile sieht so nackig aus von hier oben.
We don't even know if that is his tile.
It is. I looked on the picture here. So guys, this is Hauptwache and the Tile. This is like a big shopping street. And it looks so naked from up here. Because usually you have a lot of trees and places to sit.
Yeah, maybe later we give you a sneak preview or so you call it.
A sneak peek, but they've been on the mine already with us. But it's crazy. It looks so naked from here. Some things seem so close and other things.
Cute little skyscraper there, and I walked with the blackmail of them. I guess I always love black.
That's Genheim. Mommy taking so many pictures.
Super, ehrlich. And you put that thing right in front of your face when we take pictures.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. I want a picture with the view, not the corner there so. Where's then the best view? Ich glaube da nicht, ich glaube da ist die View. Was erwarten uns alle beim Wegschen?
Wait. You guys can pay €9 per person to come up here, and you can stay as long as you like. And there are definitely, as you can see, taller buildings. Look at that one.
Yeah, but probably not a nice point to go and look. Yeah. Oh, look at this place. You can tell here's a lot more green, right? Between these buildings. Where is this? Ah, this is Buckingham, maybe? Is this Buckingham? Or West End? Oh, we can check the map. I'm asking questions. We can check it.
You see all those ups fields in the back? You can't really say how green it is. The mountain actually look tall from here. Even though they really are joke about 800 meters or something.
I don't think they look tall.
Yeah, but from here they look like somebody.
I'm spoiled from Bayern now. There is where I see mountains, you know. Come on, we'll take a picture here, so. Why do you look like this?
One thing really funny also, I like to go on the edge like also where you can unfast, where you can touch the thing there also. I guess it's really scary. I know there are taller buildings than this house. This is, oh my god. I mean, it's nice, you know, but
I don't know, I feel like I'm braver than you then today. I went on the edge. I was scared. Only thing I feel like my hair
but
is
imagine they would have do a zip line from here. We wouldn't do that.
Zip line sounds scarier to me, but I would try it.
Not from this height. No way.
I don't know. I feel like through the jungle.
200 meters something?
Through the jungle is better.
No.
Through the jungle is better when you cannot tell the height so well.
Yeah, but that was 200 meter high in Jamaica. And all the zip line what they have on the special bridge there also, but we gotta go to one day. I don't believe that it's that high. And I had such a big mountain I was saying also I'm definitely gonna do it. So just like we did mention before, it's really an awesome restaurant. It got a Michelin star in 2022. So guys, if you want to check it out, it must be definitely worth it. And we need to check it out.
For that price. Yes. It's a good idea.
Yeah, it's only €109, a 7-Gänge-Menü. Für 3 Personen, 300 mit Getränken.
Oh God. No, we will just sit and watch you eat. We'll sit and watch you eat 7 meal and after we go to
McDonald's.
This is not a restaurant, this is a fitness studio. Prime Fitness.
Ach, das ist ein Fitnessstudio?
Here, restaurant and lounge. And the elevator doesn't want to come. Guys, my head looks crazy from the ride.
Look at me, man.
Your head looks crazy from the ride.
Yes, look, durcheinander.
Guys, we're descending from the top. Again.
We're going down.
We're going down, down, down.
Down, down.
When the glory of the Lord
It's so loud when I'm down, down.
Oh, my ears. My
I
ears,
have
they're
them
popping.
so fast. My goodness. 70, 69, 65, 62, 60, 65.
My
God,
ears.
it was so fast.
My ears. It's getting slow.
Oh God, we didn't really go all the way up there. Oh my God.
Ah, I think it's not the speed, it's the meter height. Ah, no, it is also the speed.
Oh. Okay.
You want a souvenir?
Oh, that would be a nice top of a skyscraper. But not for my feather heights thing.
Oh, I love this. I had Frankfurt. Only thing, it didn't look that festive up there, but okay.
That looks nice too.
But our postcards really in anyways. Are they in anymore? We're starting to collect different stuff. Is this the things we collect now?
Yeah,
Oh,
sort
wow.
of.
This is a USB stick, guys. Cool. Of the tower.
But we really want to collect that one?
No, this is different. Look at. Oh. Nah, we don't want to collect.
USB stick ist ja geil.
Oh, it's really cool. Anyways, guys, we're heading out now.
Oh, guys, I'm stuck.
Das ist nicht schlimm. So, Mommy, what are we doing next?
Next, we are going to a Kleinmarkthalle and look what they got there. It's like a big farmer's market sort of thing.
And I'm hungry, so I cannot wait.
Yes, they got some nice delicious things
So
there.
guys, if you want to see that, please join us in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe.
Comment below, share, and peace!